What's up, it's John from Fedora Lifestyle. If you're like me, you think tigers are so beautiful you have to draw them. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how. Before getting started, please subscribe for more art and drawing tutorials. Start with a vertical symmetry line, which will be helpful all the way to the end of the drawing. Now draw an oval and make sure it's the same width on both sides of that symmetry line. In the middle of the oval, draw an eye line, and split that line into 3 equal sections. Now use those marks as the pupils and draw semicircle eyes. Next, draw the shape of the upper jaw, which will be no wider than the outside of the eyes. The nose is a V shape with a curved line on top and a wavy W line for the nostrils. For the open mouth, draw a rectangle with a semicircle underneath. Next, draw the teeth, which consist of 2 large canine teeth and 6 incisors on the top and bottom. Now let's expand the shape of the head and draw the triangle-shaped ears. Note the ears are not drawn directly over the eyes. Now erase the entire drawing. We want to get rid of all those guidelines. Then imagine the light source is coming from straight ahead. Now with the side of your pencil, lightly shade everywhere but around the eyes and mouth. Note my very light grip on the pencil. Next, take your time and redraw the entire face, including the eyes and teeth. I added a few creases around the eyes to give it some depth. Then again with the side of your pencil, add another midtone value in the ears and around the face. Imagine you're shading wherever the tiger is really orange. Now vary your line weight around areas of interest like the eyes and inside the mouth. Next, lightly sketch short lines around the face, trying to sketch in the direction that the hair would grow. We don't need to draw every hair, but we need to draw enough to imply a hairy texture. Now draw the whiskers, but just make sure the whiskers aren't all the same length. Finally, this is where the magic happens. While remembering our original symmetry line, use tight zigzag lines to draw matching stripes on both sides of the face. I use zigzag lines so the viewer can easily see that the dark sections are still fur. And with that, you're done. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, like, and share.